Tes. Hello guys, back again with my channel, Sandi Naftali YouTube channel. Okay, today I'm not going to sing anything. I'm not going to do musically or TikTok, but I'm going to tell you. I'm going to share my idea, my information about schema theory. I am eager and I am brave to tell you about schema theory. Okay. First, I'm going to tell you that schema is stabilized information about features of the object of the word, like shape, texture, and then form, color, and etc. So we can process the information through schema. We can organize our idea, our information through schema. So schema theory can be defined as how people store and recollect memory in their brains. First, we have some experiences, right? In our brain, we have so many experiences. Through that experiences, we process it through our schemata. Through our schemata, we some results like behavior, expressions, and then events, and our thoughts or ideas. Well, what I'm going to tell you is about schema theory in reading class, especially for reading class, because I have experienced about schema theory in my reading class, my own reading class. I think there are two ways to implement schema theory in reading class. First, the teachers should select the teaching materials, like for example the text, the language used, the grammar. We have some kinds of texts, right, like descriptive and then narrative, like that. The second step is managing classroom activities. For example, if you want to use their background knowledge to open their schemata or to activate their schemata, for example, you want to introduce to your students about nasi kebuli. Nasi kebuli, right? It is a traditional food from Turkey, but your students don't know about nasi kebuli. First, what you have to do is you give them an image or a picture that's similar to nasi kebuli. For example, fried rice. You know fried rice? Because fried rice is similar like nasi kebuli. It is yellow and then it is rice. There are some vegetables and it looks yummy. First, you have to give them the image of fried rice. They will see the fried rice and they will conclude that nasi kebuli is similar as fried rice. It is how to activate their schemata. Well, you can activate the student schemata through three ways. The first way is pre-questioning, and then the second way is webbing, and the last way is the first step is pre-questioning. Pre-questioning is a way which the teachers give the students a question or some questions, like you give your students a text and then you give them some questions like what is the theme of the text, and then who are the characters of the text, what is the idea of the text, the main idea of the text, like that. Through pre-questioning, it can trigger their prior knowledge so they can process their schemata, they can use their own schemata. The second step is through webbing. We can mention it as mind mapping. Da-da-da-da-da. You know mind mapping, right? It's like connecting your ideas. It's like connecting your information in your brain. First, the teachers give them a text or an image, and then the students write some words or some phrases that is connected to the text, and you can draw your mind mapping, you can draw your own webbing with your ideas or your background knowledge. It is effective to activate your schemata. And the last is previewing. It's like you preview your own text and then you read it and you guess what is the kind of text. What kind of text is that? It is narrative or descriptive or something like that. But unfortunately, there are two weaknesses of schema theory. I think it is too vague and it focuses too much to inaccuracies memories. But there are the strengths of the schema theory, such as it is useful to process reconstructive memories and cognitive memories. It is useful to process them. Last, in my conclusion, schema theory plays an important role in reading comprehension. It can boost your background knowledge. It can boost you to process more information from the text that is given to you. But it must be activated before you use your schema theory. That's all. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yay!